Hello everyone. So this is the final product that we made for the submission of the phase 3, and our team's name is Team Underdog. And let's start with the demo, like how our product works. So what we are expecting is the users that are the gig workers, they will come to our platform, that is our website, and here it is the homepage, and this is the homepage of our website. So it is just like there are basic things are there, like what we do, what type of service that we provide, and how they can get benefited from our product. So basically these are the things, and this is just a basic homepage. Now first of all, after coming to our system, they will have to log in, so they can go to the login portal, and as it is first time, they will create one account. Let's create one account here. We'll put the email, we'll just use one Google service to password, like create account. Now here we have added email verification or authentication system to prevent any bot activities or any spam type of thing. Overall it increases the security of our product. Then we'll just go to Gmail. We can see the email from the WorkSafe. That is our product, and the user or gig worker will verify the email. So email is verified. So now we can continue to log in. We will just sign in. Now this is the main page. Now what happens is we have created the user account, and it is stored in our database. Now the user, that is gig worker, we fetch their data from the mock API of platforms like Zomato or Swiggy. What happens here is the user or gig worker puts their user ID that is provided by platforms like Swiggy or Zomato, and using that user ID we will fetch the details that is there in the database of those platforms to make some changes, and to calculate other things like premium and payout rate later. So here we will just put one demo user ID, and this is already seeded in our database, and the user details like user working hour, daily working average time, and the payout what they earn on regular basis, etc. is already there, and it is seeded. As platforms like Zomato don't provide real-time API to us, we are doing this. So we'll just fetch the profile. So here all the rider details are extracted for using the mock API, like the name, and this is the user earning per hour that the rider earns, and the rider's rating, everything like that. And now what the rider has to do is select their user delivery location. Like for example, here we have only fetching data of only about 10 locations of Bangalore zone. We can scale it later. So first let's suppose the user selects Indiranagar, as he usually delivers in Indiranagar zone. So then he can configure the policy cover, and here this is the final agreement. And what this says is, if any disruptions happen, like if rainfall happens or any social problems happen and the riders working time is affected, they will be paid rupees 78.2 per hour, as how many hours they will get affected due to that disruption. And this is calculated using one mathematical model, and that detail of the mathematical model is in the readme file. So then the user will accept the parametric, this is the licensing agreement, everything like that. Then he will confirm or control. Now after configuring the policy and accepting, like filing for the policy, he or she has to pay the premium for the next week. Like in next week he is protection will be there if any disruption occur. For that he has to pay premium, and to simulate this we have used RazorPay's API. Now we'll go to now this is asking for mobile number. We'll just put random mobile number here. Yeah, so let's just push anything like that. This is only now. Yeah, now the payment is succeeded. Yeah, payment successful, and the transaction ID is also here. Now the user gets access to their dashboard, and here in the insurance portal they can see that the protection is active and they have paid rupees 150 for the as weekly premium for our service, and they can see the details of the policy, like it is income replacement only and everything like that. And here is the dashboard. Here they can see like how many claims that they have made, and how much payment has been made automatically to them. Everything is in here, and they can also see the zone map. And here in zone map they can only see the disruption index of Indiranagar. That is currently 9 right now, because it is like 10 o'clock now, so there might not be that much traffic, and it is also not raining currently in Bangalore, so here the disruption index is 9. If a disruption would have happened, then our APIs would automatically detect that, and payment would be made automatically using RazorPay API. So here they can also see their claims. So up to now there has been no disruption, so there is no claims. And another important thing that we have thought of is creating one report page. So I'll explain what is this, and this is also our USP, because always we cannot guarantee that the APIs will work and we can detect the disruptions. Like for example, rainfall is happening in one small locality, our APIs may get fail to detect that, because it is not that optimized. We have only used free tier APIs, and even if we use good APIs, we cannot always ensure that. So we have created one report portal. So what the concept here is, the rider will go to the report portal if it is raining or anything like that, social strikes are happening, anything. He will just go to the report page, and he will report. He will send the image of what is happening in front of him, and we will validate that image using some AI models. And also here there are anti-fraud prevention measures applied. So there might be case that multiple riders use VPN and do GPS spoofing or anything like that to create a fake disruption. So for that we are checking multiple things at the background. That details are already in the README file and the software requirement document in our GitHub. So we'll just see one example here. Here location is extracted. Yeah. So we have to allow camera also. So we'll just send one picture here. Yeah. For now it is passed. Even if we even if we sent room photo or anything like that, it is passed, because the model is not that optimized, and we are still working on that. But this is our USP, because there might be cases that our system fail to detect any disruptions, so it is very useful. And this is the payment history section, like the user will see how much they have paid to us and how much they have been paid by us, their claims and all. And another thing that we have formulated is like business logic. So what we have done is, we have created a loyalty rewarding system. So for example, one rider is there and he continuously takes a subscription from our side. So what we are doing to him is, we will just add a discount to him based on the loyalty points. So that is one thing. It is just it is important because it keeps the customer attached to our platform, and it helps us sell more policies or premiums. So yeah, this is basically the user portal. Now we have also created admin portal. So we'll just go to the admin portal. Admin portal is also there. Yeah. Because the insurance company, as we are insurance companies, we might have multiple employees working with us. So the employees must be able to see how many claims have been made and the live disruption index of different locations. And this is the admin portal, and we'll just put the admin details here. I have the admin details stored here. Yeah. And this is the admin portal, and in admin portal the users can see how many users are there in our platform and how many active policies are there that the users have registered, and what is the revenue currently, and this is calculated on weekly basis. And yeah, this is and the June data is also live right now. Now in the beta it is disruption index is 30, and we can also see the user details. Like we just signed in with one user named Ranjita Gautam just now in this demo, and that detail is already updated here, and transaction is also there. Like previously the Ranjita Gautam user just paid 150 rupees, and you can find it here. And the fraud detail page, this is for to detect any frauds while the user submit any report. Yeah, this is the final product that we made, and we have taken care of everything, every aspect that and every problem that the user might get while using our product, and we have tried to solve it. And this is finally Team UnderDogs, and this is our product. Thank you everyone.